Oh my god. He time to eat it.
Ugh, I'm so bored. I'm here to eat you, Bubble.
Oh no! Have you seen Oliver and Bubbles Edward?
No, I didn't.
Somebody help me.
Come back here, Bubbles.
Now we found them.
Should we help?
I guess, but why though?
Because Bubbles is my best friend.
What?
Oh my god, hi pretty princess, honey bun princess.
Hi Oliver, anyone gonna talk?
Can I street?
Oh my god, Oliver, hi.
Okay, first of all, who are you? And second of all, you're ugly. And third of all, how old are you? Because you sound like a little girl.
I'm Emily, I'm 14.
Okay, ugly princess, Emily, go out. I already have a girlfriend, which is Alice Lau.
Wah 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 wah.
Goofy, I cry.
Oliver,
Yes, princess.
did you know that Emily was my sister?
What, really? I'm so sorry, princess.
No, it's okay, she was toxic, glad you got rid of her.
Ready?
Ready what?
You'll see.
Zipster,
Yes, Chip.
why did your friend went to a door and heard screaming and clapping?
I will explain that to you when you're older, Chip.
Okay, Zipster.
Hi there, Zip.
Hey, they're my favorite teacher, Miss Circle.
Oh, this he's cute.
This is Chip. He has a fish in his back and he is my little brother.
Oh, hi there, Chip.
Hi.